This is the video the day I arrived at Josh Talk office for my speech. You can see the entrance as well as the building. Okay, it's beautiful, quite like a mansion. And this is the entrance to the office. Okay, this is their office. The outside of their office, you can see all the plates, silver and gold. And these guys are the editors. Some of them are on lunch, I guess. I reached there in the noon, and you can see the pictures as well of all the people who came there to, deliver their speech. Obviously, these are the famous people. They put in the picture there. And here I am waiting for my turn to give a speech. It's a waiting area. Okay, and now this is the place where I delivered my speech, where my speech was recorded. You can see it, how it looks. It's a logo of Josh Talk. Okay, it's beautiful. They have a beautiful office and setup as well. And after my speech, I went to the Cyber Hub in Gurgaon as well to have some fun. I mean, it's been a long time I went there, so after my speech, I decided to go there, and I had some food as I was feeling hungry. Okay, so that is always, happy to be here.